will teach you a really cool card trick. So subscribe, like, share this video, subscribe my channel. Let's go! So for this trick you need to get 4 aces and put the deck from the top like this. One face up, one face down, one face up, one face down. Like this. Your setup is the most simple and fast. Really, no, it's easy. Next you take the deck of cards and show it to the spectator. He looks at it and you make any false card. It can be triple card, maybe some other card. There is no difference. In this video I will teach you to such a false card. This is a rather simple false card that look pretty convincing. Let's clarify one ace. Look. You just follow a couple of times on break and then take a break.
It needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near.
So now our task is to repeat this whole scene. Show us the deck, made the false card, and now our task is to production for aces. Alright, how to manifest 4 aces is actually very easy. You just count 4 with your little finger, break 2 cards and raise these 2 cards as 1. And then your task here is to open this card like this and here like this. It's really easy. Just look and repeat. I don't know how to explain it in more detail. Once again, they counted 2 cards, raised it as 1. Bam! Production for aces. Then they folded 4 aces up the deck. And now the most interesting start. You make the impossible, control, choose the substitution. It's simple. It's really cool. You may count 3 cards big finger of the left hand, like this, and make the switch of the first ace like this. Top and this ace go under this 3 card, like this. And now the simplest, you take 4 cards to be from different places in the deck. Of course the last card you show because you have ace, but you're not in the deck, but under the deck. But the illusion that this card goes center in the deck. Next you make just a clip shift and all 4 aces. Now you have upstrays. It was really very cool card trick. If you do not know how to make a clip shift, learn to make the clip shift. Thank you. Goodbye.